Welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus, a luxury midsize SUV that delivers sophisticated design, advanced technology, and refined performance. This latest iteration of the Nautilus is a testament to Lincoln's commitment to elevated driving experiences with a focus on comfort, innovation, and efficiency. Let's explore what makes this SUV a standout in its class. Body panels. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus features a sculpted, aerodynamic body that exudes modern elegance. Lincoln has emphasized smooth, flowing lines and a sleek roofline, giving the Nautilus a dynamic yet sophisticated stance. The use of high-strength aluminum and lightweight materials improves fuel efficiency while maintaining structural rigidity for enhanced safety. The flush door handles and frameless side mirrors contribute to a futuristic, clean look while improving aerodynamics. Headlights. The Nautilus is equipped with adaptive pixel LED headlights, which offer crystal-clear illumination and automatic high-beam control for enhanced night driving. These headlights adjust their beam pattern based on road conditions and incoming traffic, ensuring maximum visibility without blinding other drivers. The animated welcome lighting sequence adds a luxurious touch when approaching the vehicle. Taillights. At the rear, the full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the liftgate, providing a modern and striking visual signature. These lights feature dynamic turn signals and adaptive brightness, automatically adjusting based on ambient lighting conditions. The soft fade effect when locking and unlocking the vehicle adds to the Nautilus's premium feel. Grille. The new Lincoln Signature Grille takes center stage, featuring a mesh design with a gloss black or chrome finish depending on the trim level. The grille is actively vented, allowing improved aerodynamics and engine cooling. An illuminated Lincoln emblem sits proudly in the center, adding to the Nautilus's presence, especially at night. Seats. Inside, the perfect position 24-way adjustable front seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring maximum comfort for every journey. The premium leather upholstery, available in various elegant color schemes, adds to the cabin's upscale atmosphere. The rear seats are spacious and supportive, with available heated and ventilated options, making long trips even more enjoyable. Dashboard. The floating panoramic dashboard is a masterpiece of design and technology. It features a 48-inch coast-to-coast digital display, seamlessly integrating the driver's instrument cluster with infotainment controls. The ambient lighting system offers customizable color options to match your mood, while the use of real wood, aluminum, and soft-touch materials enhances the premium feel. Infotainment system. Lincoln's next-generation infotainment system is powered by Google built-in, offering intuitive voice commands, real-time navigation, and seamless smartphone connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Revel Ultimate 3D audio system with 28 speakers delivers an immersive sound experience, transforming the cabin into a private concert hall. Rear passengers also get their own entertainment screens, making long journeys more enjoyable. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped, heated steering wheel features haptic touch controls, replacing traditional buttons for a sleek and modern interface. Integrated with Lincoln's Active Glide 1.2 hands-free driving system, the steering wheel offers a stress-free highway driving experience by automatically adjusting based on traffic and road conditions. Engine. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus comes standard with a 2.0 liters turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 250 horsepower and 275 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth acceleration and refined power delivery. The intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously adapts to road conditions, ensuring optimal traction in all weather conditions. Hybrid option. For those looking for greater efficiency and power, Lincoln offers a 2.0 liters turbocharged hybrid powertrain, combining an electric motor with the gasoline engine to produce 310 horsepower. This hybrid system offers extended fuel economy, making the Nautilus an eco-friendly option without compromising performance. The regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery during deceleration, further enhancing efficiency. Airbags. The 2025 Nautilus is equipped with a comprehensive safety suite, including 10 airbags that provide all-around protection. The system includes dual-stage front airbags, side impact airbags, knee airbags, and a front center airbag to minimize collision forces between front passengers. Parking Assist. The Active Park Assist 2.0 system takes the stress out of parking. Using a 360-degree camera system and ultrasonic sensors, the Nautilus can automatically steer, accelerate, and brake to maneuver into tight parking spaces. The rear cross-traffic alert and automatic braking further enhance safety when reversing out of parking spots. Price. The 2025 Lincoln Nautilus starts at approximately $52,000 for the base trim, while the fully loaded Black Label edition with all premium options can reach $72,000. Given its luxurious features, advanced technology, and smooth ride, the Nautilus remains a strong contender in the luxury midsize SUV segment, competing with the likes of the Lexus RX and BMW X5.